Hi, welcome to Nimbus Mattress Fundraising and Affiliates. My name is Mitch Walker, and in this tutorial, we're going to talk about how you sign up. Let's go ahead and get started. First, we're going to go to nimbusmattress.com. And if you don't have a direct link, what we're going to do is we're going to scroll down. And you'll see that there's two different links here, one for affiliate program and one for the fundraising program. Please choose whatever pertains to you. We're going to do the fundraising program and go to Explore. This will give some details on the program that you may or may not already know, but it's pretty easy, very simple. It's 3-day free delivery. There's no cost or any contracts to you, and it's very, very simple. You get a unique link after this, and then you just post it on your social channels. You get with me, and we can create some custom content if you'd like. But let's go ahead and scroll down a little further. There's a little video here that kind of explains the program as well. But if we're ready to sign up, let's click that sign up button. Very simple. Let's go down a little bit, and you'll see we'll just put in our first, last, organization, all of these blanks. Not too much. Should take you about 30 seconds. We'll go ahead and fill this out. And then join. Once you sign up, you're going to receive an email asking you to verify your email address. So we'll check email. We're going to confirm the address. Perfect. Once you create your account, you'll have to verify your email address. And then it'll take me to turn the account on, which will take a matter of minutes. And then you'll get an acceptance email that says, your affiliate account has been approved. Let's start working. Super, super easy. There's a walkthrough video here with tools and resources. You can either click on this link to log in, or we can click back to nimbusmattress.com. And if you go to the very top, it'll say affiliate login on desktop, or at the very bottom left on mobile, it'll say affiliate login as well. So let's click affiliate login. We're going to put in our fundraising at nimbusmattress.com. That was the username that we used, and the password that we set up already. We're going to log in. And now what it's going to ask us to do is it immediately goes to settings. So you will not get paid until you fill out this tax information. It's going to ask you, are you a U.S. citizen? Yes, of course. First, you'll go to download form, which takes you to the irs.gov website for the W-9 form. If you're a 501(c), please get a hold of me, and then we'll have a different set of paperwork. Not a big deal. You'll fill out that W-9, and then step 3, you'll upload it right here. Then we'll submit the form. Another key aspect of this is to go to your payment options. And you'll want to set up, do you want PayPal, bank transfer, on the debit card, check, or Venmo? This is how you're going to get paid, and you will not get paid until you fill this out. Then you'll just save changes, and that'll be it. We can go back to dashboard. Then you'll be ready to start promoting your unique affiliate link. You'll find that actually on the dashboard. Scroll down a little bit, it says default affiliate link. There it is. But let's say we want to do a custom link. So here it is. nimbusmattress.com/, and then we can put in fundraiser or whatever you'd like. And then we'll save it. And now you'll take that custom affiliate link or the default affiliate link, and we can copy it. We'll check it out right now. And there we go. Remember, anytime anyone uses this link on Facebook or Instagram, or you send it to them, copy or paste it to anyone, anytime anyone buys a mattress off of this particular link, you or your organization will receive 15% commission. Well, that's it. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions, please email us at fundraising@nimbusmattress.com, or you can contact me on my cell phone by going to our customer service line at 214-326-0779 and then click option 8. Well, thank you so much for watching and happy selling. Give us a call if you have any problems.